Question number 6. The question says, the problem of what to produce is determined by dash. The option we're having here says that problem of what to produce is determined by A, consumption pattern, B, distribution pattern, C, the state of technology, D, the volume of production. Which of these actually determines what to produce? To find this question, you can see jump past question 2016, question number 27. Now, what's going to be the right answer? The right answer is option A. Consumption pattern actually determines what we should produce in specific and different societies. Don't forget that in production, the first thing that needs to actually be specified out is what is the main problem, what is the main consumption needs of the populace in a particular geographical area. So the pattern of consumption, for example, now in a situation whereby we are in rainy season, the consumption pattern that will be needed most is an umbrella. So it will be very wrong at this type of situation to probably go and engage in production of vest or probably production of anything that does not tally with the situation which the environment finds itself. So the consumption pattern of the consumer goes a long way in determining what to produce.